This factory produces 300 metric tons of Himalayan pink salt. From mines to your table, let's explore the fascinating process of Himalayan pink salt creation. Himalayan salt, with its remarkable 84 minerals, has gained global recognition for its incredible health benefits and diverse applications. This unique pink salt originates from the Kiora region of Pakistan, nestled beneath the Earth's surface for millions of years, making it the second largest salt deposit globally, dating back approximately 800 million years. Discovered by Alexander the Great in 326 BC, when his horses were seen licking nearby rocks, Himalayan salt has become a sensation worldwide. The journey of Himalayan salt begins with the extrusion of salt rocks from prime zones in the mines. Incredible attention is given to selecting only the highest quality rocks, emphasizing their purity and mineral content. The geological expertise applied during rock selection is paramount, as it directly influences the final product's taste, color, and health benefits. The transportation of extracted Himalayan salt rocks involves specialized trucks that venture inside the caves of the mining sites to collect the prime mineral-rich specimens. Additionally, the use of a train truck system in some cases further optimizes logistics for timely and cost-effective delivery. These rocks are now ready for a thrilling journey to become sought-after Himalayan salt products. At the forefront of the Himalayan salt industry is Ittifaq Salt, a company engaged in large-scale production, churning out over 300 metric tons of pink salt every day. This production powerhouse plays a pivotal role in meeting the growing global demand for Himalayan salt. Upon arrival at the manufacturing facility, the powerful salt rocks are stockpiled, ready for the selection process, ensuring that only the finest salt rocks proceed through the production line. The salt rocks undergo into an enclosed area equipped with automatic washing and drying machinery, all set up with conveyors. This ensures elimination of any foreign matter that may have accompanied them from the mines. This keeps the salt pure and maintains its high quality. Subsequently, the salt rocks are parched in a concealed chamber to evaporate excess water, maintaining an optimal moisture level. To produce Himalayan table salt, the rocks undergo a grinding process, transforming them into fine grains ready for culinary use. Grading machines then swing into action, classifying the grains and discarding any unwanted sizes, ensuring a uniform and high-quality final product. The production line's exclusivity is enhanced with the incorporation of a high-tech optical color sorting machine. This precision tool meticulously eliminates impurities and undesired grains, ensuring that every batch of Himalayan salt meets the highest standards of purity and consistency. The packaging process involves sealing the Himalayan salt products in secure, airtight containers that protect them from environmental factors and contaminants. The packaging materials are chosen with precision, taking into consideration the sensitivity of Himalayan salt to external elements. This often involves using materials like high-quality airtight plastic or glass containers that serve as effective barriers against moisture and contaminants. In the context of wholesale distribution, Himalayan salt undergoes a distinct packaging process, tailored to accommodate larger quantities. For bulk shipments and wholesale purposes, the packaging often involves sturdy and durable bags made of materials like woven polypropylene. These bags are chosen for their resilience and ability to withstand the weight of larger volumes of salt. To craft the distinctive shapes of salt lamps, skilled experts employ large rotating blades, carefully cutting and shaping the salt rocks. This step requires precision and expertise, as the massive blades slice through the hard salt rocks to achieve the desired form for the lamps. The process, though intricate, demands caution due to the sheer size and power of the cutting equipment. The drill machines employed in this process are equipped with robust, diamond-tipped drill bits, which are specifically chosen for their ability to penetrate the dense structure of Himalayan salt rocks. Additional specialized rotating blades come into play to shape the salt rocks into unique and captivating forms. These blades allow artisans to sculpt the salt rocks with finesse, creating intricate patterns, curves, and textures. The use of these heavy-duty tools introduces an element of danger, highlighting the importance of skilled professionals overseeing the cutting process. The expertise of these craftsmen ensures not only the safety of the production process, but also the creation of finely crafted Himalayan salt lamps that captivate consumers with their unique shapes and warm, soothing glow. After the rocks are initially cut or shaped by specialized machines, skilled artisans take over, using hammers to refine and standardize their size. The craftsmen carefully and skillfully hammer each salt rock to ensure consistency in size and shape. The salt rocks undergo a polishing phase, enhancing their natural luster, not only for the aesthetic appeal of the final product, but also to smoothen the surface, creating a tactile and visually pleasing finish. The craftsmen then delicately embed the necessary lighting components within the hollowed-out center of the salt rock. Once the assembly is complete, a crucial quality check is conducted. Craftsmen meticulously inspect each lamp to ensure that the lighting components have been properly installed and the lamp functions as intended. The lamps are carefully placed in secure packaging that shields them from potential damage during transportation. Packaging materials are chosen with care, considering the delicate nature of the lamps and the need to protect them from external elements. Labels indicating product details, care instructions, and safety precautions are affixed to provide consumers with essential information. From the production facility, the packaged Himalayan salt lamps are then distributed through various channels to reach a wide market. Large-scale distributors play a pivotal role in ensuring that these unique lamps find their way to retail stores, wellness centers, and online platforms. The journey of Himalayan salt, from its ancient origins in the Kiora mines to the creation of exquisite products like salt lamps, is a testament to the careful blend of tradition and modern craftsmanship. Himalayan table salt stands out for its unique set of benefits, making it a popular choice among health-conscious consumers. The 84 minerals found in Himalayan salt are believed to promote electrolyte balance, support hydration, and aid in nutrient absorption. If you're curious about the intricate processes behind various production lines, From the extraction of raw materials to the creation of end products, watch our next video to dive into the world of the smart farm.